This 10,000 kVA transformer is used in the substation of a mining company. Due to the unstable 33 kV line voltage of the local power grid, which often fluctuates from 26 kV to 40 kV, we designed this 33 kV to 33 kV plus or minus 8 times to 0.5 PERCENT, total plus or minus 20% very wide voltage regulation range on load tap changer transformer to adjust the primary voltage and obtain a stable 33 kV output voltage. Equal voltage transformers are primarily used for voltage regulation. They are ideal for applications such as mining operations, long-distance transmission of hydropower stations, oil and gas pipeline projects, cross-regional power supply, and renewable energy grid connections, where reliable power quality is critical. If you are dealing with grid voltage instability caused by an old grid, poor infrastructure, a large supply radius, or poor grid regulation capabilities, an equal voltage transformer, such as a 33 kV, 22 kV, or 11 kV model with a voltage fluctuation range of plus or minus 16% to plus or minus 20%, may be your ideal solution.